Okay, next method is to change the permission as numerical method, which is easy as compared to the symbolic method. For read we have a 4, write we have a 2, and for execute we have a 1. These are the binary code. So if I want to remove the permission using the numerical method, just type 0. It will remove the permission. Read access means 4. Write permission 2. Execute means 1. Read write means 6, means 4 and 2. Similarly, read and execute 5, 3 and 7. And these are in the sequence which we discuss as well. So let's go to our lab. As soon as you suppose I want to give the owner read write. Okay, so the first is the owner, second is group, and the third one is what is called the other. So let's go to our lab. Okay, so previously we used symbolic method. Right now this folder has read write execute for everybody. Again I can use the chmod command. Okay, change mode command, this one. The only difference is previously we used symbolic method. This time, suppose if I want to remove the permission for everybody, just type test, and if I check ls, now the permission is being removed for everybody. 0, the first 0 means for the owner, second 0 means for the group, third means for other. So I say remove them for everybody. So D means directory and no permission for anybody. Now, if I want to bring back the permission, so I need to go back. What permission I want to give to the user? 7. What does it? Either let me give the read per execute means 1. Just give execute permission, and other 2 no permission, and hit enter. So you can see execute is back. For who? The first is user, second is other, group, and third is other. Same if I want to give execute to the group as well, type 1, and let me check again. Now execute is back for the other one, previously only for this guy user, now for the group as well. Let me show you again. Similarly chmod, and finally if I want to give execute to the other as well, and ls, now you can see execute, execute and execute. So this is the way numerical, which is so easy. Now let's check out and go to chmod. Now the write permission. So for what we can do, we can type to we done with the execute. Yeah, so execute, as I say, execute is 1. For write permission we can use 2, symbolic method. So what I will say 2, and 2 for the what is called group, and 2 for other, and hit enter. And now ls, you can see sxxx, it was execute, and now I give them a write permission. Okay, now you will say why is remove execute? Because if you want to give read write and execute, so write execute means 1 and write means 2. So I need to make them as a 3 3 3 3, and now it will give both write and execute. So let's check out, and here is, let me show you again. So now we have write and execute, write and execute, write and execute, because it means 3 means to plus them. Keep in mind, let's go back to the table. This table is easy. So 3 means, that's what I type, 3 means write and execute, and the maximum one is 1 1 1, and binary 7 7 7 7 means read, write and execute. Right now I use 3, previously I used 2, then I use 1. 4 means read access only. So if I go back, and if I want to give read permission only to everybody, just type 444 and ls, you can see read only. If I want to give read and execute, so then it need to be 5 5 5 5, and let me check now. Here is read and execute, and Then if I want to give them what is called 666, what do you think? What will be this? It will be read write, because 4 plus 2. So it will give them read write. And the maximum on the folder we have 777. And if I check now, so read write execute, read write execute. If you don't understand, you need to go back. So here is the 4, 5, 6, 7. The maximum to give all permission to someone, read, write and execute, we need to plus them. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. And that's why I assign 777. So it will assign read, write, execute all the permission. So it's all about the combination of this one, 4 to 1. And this is the maximum combination. 0 to remove all the permission. 1 means to give execute permission. 2 means to write permission. 3 to write and execute. 4 to read permission only. 5 to read and execute. 6 to read and write. And finally I test 777. But I done for everybody. Can you change them? Yes, we can change them as well. What I need to do, if I check everybody has read, write, execute, I say no, not everybody. So I can go to she mode or change mode. I say give 7 read, write, execute to the user and 6 to the group, and only 2 or no permission, suppose, and type test is also possible. If I check now, so you can see 7 means full permission, read, write, execute to the user. 6 means write and read. Okay, 4 plus 2, and then no permission, because the third one is for the other. I say 0. So this one is more easy to assign the permission. Not only this one, it's up to you. You can do any combination. Suppose you want to do the same for other as well. And if I say ls, now you can see read, write to the group and read, write to the other. And read, write, execute, because it's 7, the maximum is 7. So you can use any combination. And these combination I discuss here. 600 means owner can read, write and no one else has any permission. 700 means owner can read, write, execute and no permission to the group and other. 66 means all can read and write. And 77 means all can read, write and execute. And 644 owner can read, write and group and other can read only, because 4 means read only. And this way you can combine many combination, whatever you like. If you want to remove, just type 00, no permission. If you want to give them read access, so 4 and then 00, not to the other 2. It's up to you. And these are the combinations. So this was another way to set permission on file and folder in Linux using a numerical method.